Before you begin, ensure you're wearing all the appropriate safety equipment. You will need help from another person and a Phillips head screwdriver. Start by checking how the sash is operating. It should slide with a little but not too much resistance, and not too loose that it slides on its own accord. Ask the other person to lift and hold the sash. Locate the 2 adjustment screws underneath each end of the sash. They increase or decrease the resistance when sliding the sash. Do not adjust the screws next to the adjustment screws. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, turn the screws clockwise to increase resistance or anti-clockwise to decrease it. Only make minor adjustments at a time. Continue adjusting until you are satisfied with the operation of the sash. You've now successfully adjusted a Bradnam's essential double hung window.